Okay, since we have our basic kind of Bootstrap styles in place, what we need to do is we also want to our login form to be bootstrapified too, um, and also our registration form. But what we also want is but we wanted to use our kind of bootstrap styling, but we with this tag we don't really get control over the classes or anything like that. We just have this form that we can use. So I mean we can change the button. So I'm going to copy this button here from their documentation and paste that in. And I will get a bootstrap style button, but I won't get a bootstrap form or anything like that. Just the button. And the way around this is there's actually a third-party library called django-forms-bootstrap, which will give us a template tag to use to include bootstrappable forms. So I'm going to go sudo piptree install, and then what I want to do is the command is django underscore forms underscore bootstrap. And this will install Django Forms Bootstrap for us. So we want to include that in our installed apps. So it's Django underscore forms underscore bootstrap. Okay. And once we've done that, then what we want to do is we want to open up the registration .html page. And just outside of, just after the extends base.html file, what I want to do is I want to load bootstrap underscore tags. This will enable us, this basically imports the JavaScript or the bootstrap tags for us. And then what we want to do is instead of .asp, what we want to say is pipe as bootstrap. So this will take the form and pass it into the as bootstrap function, which will basically give it all that nice kind of bootstrappy look and feel. So if I refresh my page now, we can see we have these bootstrap forms. At the moment they're taking up the full width of the page, but we'll take a look at how to resolve that later on. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this code now and I'm going to bring it into the login page as well. And go ahead and load bootstrap tags in the login page, and then login form as bootstrap. I'm just going to give this button a bootstrap theme as well. So give it a class of btn space btn dash default. Okay, so I can go to my login page now, and we'll see that it all looks good.